Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, before selection of a new wife, a future wife, we have to see many things. Like some people, they look at the money, wealth, and property. Some people, they look at the beauty of the future wife. And some people, they look at family background, while other they are thinking about the caste and tribe, and some they look at the manners and character and religious background. All the qualities finish with the passage of time, but what remains, that is the character and religious background. So you can see these are the main things, because religious background has all qualities. So this way it is a comprehensive selection quality to have a person with religious background. Holy Prophet Muhammad said, "It is compulsory for you to marry the woman of the best religious background and character." This hadith we can find in Sahih Bukhari, Muslim, Musnad Ahmad. In Bukhari and Muslim also we can find other hadiths. The Prophet ﷺ said, "The four qualities are judged before marriage. Normally, the wealth, the family background, the beauty, and the religious background. Prefer the religious background and piety of the woman before marriage." So the Rasulullah ﷺ also forces to look at the religious background. A woman with the best religious background has many qualities. She becomes a source of love and peace for the husband and for the whole family. She always thinks the ways to please her husband. She protects herself, her modesty, her piety, and her self esteem. She protects the wealth, property of the husband. She is responsible to perform her rights as a wife in the best possible way. And she is the best source of education and training for the new generation. And she is the source of purification of soul and body of the whole family. And she arranges halal food for her family and keeps Islamic environment within the home atmosphere. Her children are in love with Allah and Prophet ﷺ. They are practical Muslim and practical preachers of Islam. The character and the behavior of her children show Islamic background completely. So the qualities of parents are transferred to their generation. So a good wife is the best source of it. Holy Prophet ﷺ said to the parents, this hadith is revealed by Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, that to the parents the Prophet ﷺ said, "Select the best woman for your children for marriage, look her sisters and brothers. The women give birth their children like their sisters and brothers. So in other hadith revealed by Anas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if someone is marrying a woman to increase his respect because of woman after marriage, so Allah will decrease his respect and increase insult for that person. When a person is just to select the wife just for respect, that he will get the more respect within the family, within the city, within the community, within the country, so automatically Allah will decrease his respect and increase his insult. If a person marries a woman because of her wealth, Allah will make him poor, and he will be, you can see, mostly we can see when the people they are just to marry just for wealth, they become beggars of their wives. If a person marries a woman because of her family background and tribe, Allah will decrease his family status. If a person marries a woman because of intention of incremental changes in his modesty, piety, and good Islamic character, and forming shelter against the sexual evils, then it will be the source of blessings and mercies of Allah. Allah will make them to live in peace with love. So the Holy Prophet ﷺ also enforces that we have to select the future wife just looking at Islamic character and background with piety, modesty. So then we can get all the qualities which are needed to live this life like a paradise. Holy Prophet ﷺ said, this hadith is from Ibn Majah, don't marry a woman because of her beauty. A bad character may be hidden under the cover of her beauty. Don't marry the woman because of her wealth. A rebellious background may be possible under her wealth. However, you marry the woman because of her sound religious background with concrete religious beliefs and practices. Even if that woman is with black color, she is more good, nice than the woman who is with white color, because she will make the home environment religious and better. So we have to look the good qualities of wife before marriage.